Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 18.1 on Ubuntu 24.04. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with Ubuntu Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to PostgreSQL official website, it is postgresql.org. Then see here, at the time of making this video, the latest release is PostgreSQL 18.1. Click on download or download, both are same. Then select the Linux, then scroll down, click on Ubuntu. See, PostgreSQL APT repository supports current versions of Ubuntu 25.10, 25.04, 24.04 and 22.04. Okay, so these are the commands that needs to be executed to install PostgreSQL Server. See, we have to run these commands one by one. Okay, so first this command will install CS certificates, then this will import the repository signing key, then this will create the configuration file, then we have to update the packages, then we have to install the PostgreSQL Server. Okay, so copy these commands one by one, then open terminal, paste them, hit enter, provide the password of the sudo user. See, both are already newest versions. Okay, Ctrl A. Now import the repository signing key. Now update the packages, sudo apt update. All packages are up to date. Ctrl A. Now install PostgreSQL Server. Sudo apt get install PostgreSQL -18. Hit enter. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. See, it is installing 18.1. See, we have successfully installed, and see here the default values like max connections 100, shared buffer size 128 megabytes, and this is the default time zone. Okay, and this is the data directory. Now verify the status of the PostgreSQL Server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. See, PostgreSQL Server is installed and its service is active and enabled. Okay, now connect to PostgreSQL Server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we have successfully connected. And see here, this is not the version of the PostgreSQL Server, it is PSQL client version. To verify the version of the PostgreSQL Server, we have to run the command select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL Server 18.1. Q to quit, Ctrl A. The first step after connecting to PostgreSQL Server is we have to set the password for the Postgres user, which is the super user. So first verify list of users /du. See, we have only one user, which is super user, or we can get the list of the users by running select username from pg_user. See, we got the same. Okay, now set the password for this user. Alter user Postgres. See, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. We have successfully set the password. Now verify list of databases /l. See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL Server installation. You can also get the list of the databases by running select dat name from pg_database. See, these are the databases. Okay, now create database. See, we have created database bank, and this is the one of the database. Q to quit. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to run the command /c or connect. Either is same, then provide the name of the database. See, you are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Now verify list of tables. See if you don't have any tables. So create table. See, we have created table customer in public schema. This is the one of the table. Now insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay, now we'll create user. Create user. David is the username. Here whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Now verify the same. See, we have created David. Now exit from the current session and connect to PostgreSQL server with this new user. To exit, we have to use the /q. PSQL-HH means hostname, localhost because PostgreSQL server is installed on this one, -u must be caps, then username is David, -d means database, Postgres, then provide the password. As I told you, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. We have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current_user. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL server with the user David. Okay. Now try to access the database that you have created. See, you are now connected to database bank as user David. Now try to run the query against the table that is there in this database. See, permission ended for table customer because we have created user but haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Now we'll see how to start and restart PostgreSQL Server 18.1 on Ubuntu Linux operating systems. Sudo, we can't stop or start with this PostgreSQL, so exit. Sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL Server is inactive or dead. Okay, quit. You can also verify by trying to connect to PostgreSQL Server. Sudo su-postgres-SQL. See, we are unable to connect, so exit from the current user. Now start it. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. See, PostgreSQL server is active and we have started 1 second ago. If you want to restart, just give sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL. Now verify the status. See, we have restarted 1 second ago. Control A. Until now, we have connected PostgreSQL server by using PSQL client. We can also connect PostgreSQL server by using pgadmin or db. Those are the most popular tools. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install both on Ubuntu operating systems. Okay. The last option that I want to show you is connect to PostgreSQL server su-postgres PSQL. Now we'll see how to find the config files and data and log directory locations. So config_file. See, this is a PostgreSQL server level configuration parameter file. Okay, then show HBA. HBA means host based authentication file. See, both are in the same directory. Now find the data directory. Show data_directory. Now log directory, log_directory. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 18.1 on Ubuntu 24.04. Okay, for more PostgreSQL or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.